can you see? This drone battery and 8-minute free time fun battery is still charging. So when it's charging, you can see the red light here. Yeah, you can see? Yeah. So the red light, if it's still on, that means it's not full yet. It's not charged like 100% yet. But if it's 100%, it will just shut off. Yeah, and then I'm just waiting for the light to go away, to be shut it off, because now then I can fly my drone. Okay, so in the last video, when I bought a new drone and I presented to you, I tested flying it, and I think it's very dangerous because, as you can see, the first time I flew like into the sky so high. Now it went into the clouds, and I'm just lucky there are no airplanes flying through here, because if they hit airplanes, I'm gonna be so in trouble, and I'm not gonna be sitting right here. So now I'm not going to fly drones in high places, so I'm just gonna fly the drone like so, like here, and then just like wing it down, up and up until it reaches the end, and I'll land. Do you want to see me fly the drone? Follow me. Now, to start the remote, press on. See? Now, to get ready to fly, do like this. And then, when you have to fly, just get a little bit of this. And I'm gonna fly like steady. Whoa. Whoa. Go. Whoa. Drop, sudden drop. Sudden drop. Okay, I'm gonna go forward. Okay, and I'm gonna go left, go up, right, go down a little bit, go left. Oh, it just crashed. Wow, it just crashed. Like, on the right, go forward, ow, crash. Whoa. Oh no, strong winds. If there are winds, it's gonna be hard to pilot. No, go right. Oh no! Come down. Okay, I'm gonna land steady.
Oh.
Okay, so here we have the drone. So as you can see, when you turn on the drone, see here, and there are four light flashes. So when it flashes, you can't fly the drone because it's still flashing, and there's 2 green, 2 red. It is still flashing, so it can't fly. Now, for it to fly, you have to turn this on, and then do like this. Go up 1 time, go down 1 time, so that it's ready. If you do this, the light will stop flash, and you're ready to fly. See me fly! Wait. Put this, do this, and go. Whoa. Hey, ow! Here we go again. The drone just crashed. Okay, I'm gonna go there because if it's not big, if it's small, then you can't fly because you need a very big area to fly the stone. But now I'm in a garden, so I can fly. Oh, go, 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 go. Wow! Oh! It's not hard, it's not easy, but you have to practice a lot. And you have to have relationships between the brain, your eyes, your hands, and maybe your feet. Because when the drone crashes, you have to move back a little bit. So you have to have feet relationship as well. So don't forget to subscribe me. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to see my new and latest videos. And if you like this video, comment me, do everything you can, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!